Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear students. So right now we are going to have our first lesson in the fourth quarter of this year, and how to know whether the two triangles are congruent or not if the three sides, as you can see here, the three sides of a triangle are congruent to the three sides of the another triangle. Then these triangles are congruent. So let us see in these questions whether we can do that or not. And so in the problem 7 to 12, determine whether the triangles are congruent, not congruent, and or if there is not enough information, which triangle congruence theorem can be used. So we can use the triangle theorems that we have used in the previous quarter. So question number 7 here. I have this side is equal to this side, so AB is equal to BC. And AD is equal to DC, AD is equal to DC. And then I have what in the middle? I have BD is a common side. So I can see from this that all the three sides are equal in lengths. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BDC. And that's it. In the question number 8, I know that AB is equal to EF. Okay. And that's only. Okay. He tells me that BC is is equal to nothing. Actually, we don't know. We don't have the DE. I don't know it. I can't get it because I don't have any hints or clues to how to get it. At the same time, also AC is unknown to me, and it doesn't mean that it will be equal to 2. So no, depending that I don't have enough clues or hints. The two triangles, the two triangles aren't congruent. I have question number 9. These two triangles, are they congruent or not? I know that RT is equal to TV. Okay, so RT is equal to TV. However, I can't see any other sides, any two corresponding sides that are equal to each other. However, I can use the previous theorems in order to say that the two triangles are congruent. So I can say that measure of angle R is equal to measure of angle V. So this is the first hint, this is second hint. And then SV or SU intersects SU RV. So what happens when they intersect each other? What will happen? I will get something called vertical opposite angle. So it means that this angle is equal to this angle. So angle, measure of angle STR will be equal to measure of angle VTU. Vertical opposite angles. And this is the third hint, just to let you know. So yes, the two triangles STR will be congruent to triangle VTU, and that's it. Now, question number 10, let us see what do we have here. I know that NP is equal to MQ. So NP is equal to MQ. And I have MP itself, this one, MP, is a common side. So I have two sides, two corresponding sides which are equal. Okay, but I have a problem, and a big problem at that I don't have a third side that I can use in order to prove the two triangles are congruent. So what should we do? Well, I'm going to remember the theorem that we have taken in the third quarter. So I know that he tells me that NM is parallel to PQ. This is parallel to this. So I'm going to have this D letter, this. This angle will be equal to this angle. Okay. So what happens right now is these two parallels and C are equal. Okay, let me, there's something which I need to check out. Give me a moment, please. This is, so yes, so I have NM. So since I have actually have taken before, I believe, the properties of the parallelogram. I believe so. And if not, we can revise it later on. Now I have NP and MQ are equal, as we have said. And I know that NM and PQ are parallel. Okay, so this makes it a parallelogram. So it is parallelogram. Why? Because NM is actually parallel to PQ as well as NP is equal to MQ. And one of the properties of the parallelogram that NM with the two opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. So NM will be equal to PQ, to this will be equal to this as well. And then I know that NM is actually, they are parallel as I've said here. So measure of angle NMQ, NMP, NMP, which is this, okay, will be equal to MPQ, which is one, measure of angle MPQ. So I have angle, I have side, this side, and angle, and then I have this side. So they are congruent. Yes, they are congruent. Measure of a triangle NMP is congruent to triangle MPQ, and they are side angle side, according to what you have taken before. Okay, question number 11. I know that AB is 3.5 and AC is 2 feet. Angle A here is equal to angle D, but the sides are not equal. So not enough information. They are not congruent. Question number 12. Angle H is equal to angle L, angle G is equal to angle K, and angle J is equal to angle M. However, this information can't help us to know whether these two triangles are congruent or not. The congruency between the triangles happens only when I have side, or until now, which you have taken side, angle, side, or angle, side, angle. These are the three things. If I can use them, I will be able to tell if the two triangles are congruent or not. However, he is giving me three corresponding angles, and this can't be used to prove that the two triangles are congruent. So not enough information as well. they aren't congruent. Okay, question number 15. So let's see what we can do here. Find the value of x and y for which triangle ABC and XYZ are congruent. Some problems may have more than one solution. So I know that this side is equal to this side because both of them are 5. And then I have 8 here and 2x. Both are opposite to each other. And x is opposite to 4. So what will be the value of x that will make these two triangles congruent? Okay, so we will equalize the two sides which are equal to each other. The easy thing to do. So I have 2x is equal to 8. I want to get the value of x. 2 is multiplied by x. What is the opposite of that? The opposite is division. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. I'm going to x equal 4. And I know from here already that x equal 4. So the value of x will be 4. That will make these two triangles congruent. The question number 16. And this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. And therefore, these two sides will be equal to each other. I want to get the value of x. So I know that 2x minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 4. We already know that the way to solve this is to keep all the letters on one side and the numbers on the other side. So I will remove 2x. So 2x minus 2x. I will do the same thing to the other side. I will get negative 1 is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay. I want to get 2x alone. Okay, this is what we call two-step equation. With x alone, so I'm going to add 4 both sides. So I have 3 is equal to 2x. Now I want x alone. I'm going to divide by 2 both sides. So x will be equal to 1.5. And that's it. Okay, regarding question number 17, there can be so many solutions to question number 17. So I know that, let's say I have 2 in front of it, 3 of x, and x plus 3 in front of it is 6. Okay, number 17. And y minus 3 is equal to 2, let's say. So how can I solve this? Well, I have 3x minus 6 is equal to 2. This is two-step equation. So I'm going to add 6 both sides. I'm going to get 3x is equal to 8. It will not work, really. Fortunately, it will not work. And y minus 3 will be 6y is equal to 6. There's something wrong with this question. Something is wrong with this question, really. Okay, okay. I apologize. Let us review the two questions. It is very easy to me to tell that already I have two sides which are equal to each other, which is something I didn't notice, just noticed right now. I have 2 and 2, both of them are equal. Okay. So the two will not be used because already they are equal. I have x plus 3, okay, is equal to 6, and 3x minus 6 is equal to y minus 3. So the easiest way to do it really is to equalize the x's. So this will be equal to this. So 3x minus 6 is equal to x plus 3, and I can get x from this. I will keep the letters on one side, so I'm going to have minus x here. minus x on the opposite side, going to 2x minus 6 is equal to 3. It is 2. From here, it is going to be a two-step equation. So I want x alone. I'm going to add 6 both sides. So 2x is equal to 9. Now I want to get x. We'll divide by 2 both sides. So x will be equal to, what is the half of x? It is 4.5. Okay, we got x. I want to get the y. So I have y minus 3 will be equalized with 6. So y minus 3 is equal to 6. Just it is one step equation. I'm going to add 3 both sides. I will get that y is equal to 9. And that's it. Okay, next question. I have 16. I have 20 is equal to 20. So these two numbers will not be used. Okay. And then I have 16 above. I can't make 4x minus 8 equal to 30 minus 2y equal to 30 minus 2y because I will be having two unknown variables. I won't be able to get their values like this. So I'm going to use the other numbers. I'm going to say that 16 will be equal to 30 minus 2y. So 30 minus 2y will be equal to 16. I want to get the y alone. So minus 30 here, minus 30 there. I'm going to get minus 14. I have minus 2y. I want y alone. I'm going to divide by negative 2y both sides. So y will be equal to 7. And then I'm going to say that 4x minus 8 is equal to 12. So I'm going to get this. 4x minus 8 is equal to 12. I want x alone, so I'm going to add 8 both sides. So 4x is equal to 20. I want x alone. I'm going to divide by 4 both sides. So x will be equal to 5. And that's it. Thank you much for watching and see you inshallah in the next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.